This is a 2-scoop order for summer from her Auntie Emmy. She and my mom share the same favorite color, yellow. One file folder. Plus one more. Ooh, one of my favorites, 2 notebooks. This Butter Bear notebook has a hardcover. I can't just give one. Two hand towels. I didn't have any more yellow hand towels, so let's swap it out for this canvas bag. Two highlighters. Plus one more. Ooh, one of Ruby's favorites, 2 scenery stickers. Plus one bigger one. Two mini notebooks. I really love these notebooks because of the printed pages inside. So cute. Plus one more. Two sticky notes. It was really hard to decide, but here are 2 cute ones. Plus 4 more. Three erasers. Plus 2 more. Two tapes. I really like the one on the left because it's a blind box correction tape. Plus one more. One bookmark. I really love to read, so I gave you extra. I hope you love reading too. One beaded charm. Plus one keychain. One plush charm. Plus one more. And this cute little sushi. One scrunchie. I really wanted you to have these 2 plush clips. They are so cute. One mirror. One card holder. plus one more. One pen. This is a blind box pen. You need more than one. One claw clip. Plus one more. I love this one because it reminds me of my Oli bear. Ooh, another one of Ruby's favorites, one bricks. I'm a plant lady, and you have to get one more. Two squishies. Both of my girls love squishies. And let's be real, mommy does too. Too many charms. Plus one more. One bracelet. Let's add one more. Three acrylic clips. I love hunting for these. Sweet Summer, I really hope you love this box. Thank you so much.